To put on your goat knee brace, start in a seated position.
Wearing shorts for the first application so your knee is easy to access, and you can get a feel for how your brace will feel when applied correctly. Bend your knee to about 45 to 60 degrees. This helps you align the brace properly with your kneecap. In your package, you'll find the goat brace, extension stops, and instructions for use. Extension stops are used to limit the range of motion. Your clinician will advise if these are needed. Place the open brace behind your leg. Place the hinge on the side of the knee, centering the hinge with the top of your kneecap. Wrap the calf cuff around your leg that is right below your knee, matching the A letters on the brace for proper alignment. Pull to your desired tension. Repeat the process for the lower calf cuff, the T-strap, making sure it's snug but comfortable.
Then secure the upper thigh strap, the G and O strap. There are two circumferential straps. These keep the brace in place and provide stability. Wrap the strap around the calf and feed the strap tab through the D-ring located at the bottom of the brace. Pull to the desired tension and secure the hook and loop tab. Repeat the process on the upper circumferential strap on the thigh. All of these straps should be snug, but not tight.
Optional adjustments. If your physician recommends it, adjust the abduction setting by turning the butterfly dial until you reach the desired angle.
Your goat features a built-in butterfly dial that makes it easy to control the amount of unloading force applied to your knee. When you turn the dial counterclockwise, the brace hinge will push against your knee to provide relief to the inside of your knee. When you turn the dial clockwise, the brace hinge will pull away from your knee. Always begin at a low setting to give your knee time to adjust to the brace. Then gradually increase the pressure over time using the butterfly dial as you become more comfortable as needed.